Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I am about to start my second project it's not a fall fashion mood board, it's just a few items that I wanted to make for this fall season. And I'm going to be making a dress out of this Jacquard jersey. It is just beautiful. I'm going to be making dress number 1. That is this magazine right here. And it is from the fall winter collection of 2019. This dress right here, and this dress is described as an incorporated shawl, some drop sleeves, midi length. It doesn't have elastic waistband, although kind of looks like it, but it really doesn't. It has 5 pattern pieces, the front bodice and the back bodice, and then it has the lower skirt, which the front and the back is exactly the same pattern piece, and then you have the shawl and the drop sleeve. We're ready to go. I'm ready to just put the time lapse on, cut out the fabric, and then if I have anything else to report, I'll be back. you how far I got with the dress. This is one of the fitting that I usually do. Is when I have the things put together, I just try it on. This is the dress in all of its, wowness. It really doesn't have an elastic waistband. It's really, the top or the bodice of this dress is far wider than the skirt, and so it kind of cinches in and comes together. This is how it looks in the back. I am thoroughly like excited and really happy with the end result. This is the shawl that is already incorporated in the dress, and I only need to do some tag stitches on both sides so it will stay in place, so you will not see the finished lock. But I must say, lock stitching, but I must say it doesn't annoy me at all. On the store, of course, you can see like how far it comes. It's a little like right at my calves, and I styled it today with these shoes, and they have like love on the back. Love it. And that's it. Do let me know if you like the way I've been putting out my videos, or at least the concept of it all. Trying something new with time-lapse. It kind of takes away though. The time-lapse kind of takes away of the time that actually goes into making pieces. It kind of portrays like it's super fast, which it isn't. It takes time, it takes skills that you build up over time in order to finish a dress. So don't be discouraged if you can't finish this dress in 6 minutes. And plus, don't let perfection hold you back, because I say life isn't perfect, so my clothes aren't supposed to be. That's my motto. That's what I'm rolling with. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. You have a great day. Bye.